And everyone, I am Rebel Sixx mother. My son was killed in his home. 26 years old. He had plans. He had dreams.
Yeah, guys, so that right this Rebel Sixx mother, you see me, and she come speak out on the behalf of her son death, cause you don't know the style, who know them good like them mums though. And here are people, if you're new, please consider subscribing, is it? Alright, so me have the full video clip, and you can watch it further down in the video, you see me. So, you see me, the dog is Rebel Sixx has died, you see me. Them same get shot and killed at his place, you see me, Bonnier Gardens, you see me, home in Aroka, that a Trinidad, cause a Trinidad nigga, you see me, but him sing dancehall music, also him link with Sixx, also he's a member of the Sixx, cause him name Rebel Sixx, and that tell a lot to them name, for who don't know him, and who don't know the dog already supposed to know them thing there, you see me, so, serious happenings go on around 11:15 them time the PM, late in the hours of him place, you see me. So a lot of speculation I go around say a bad mind thing and envy thing, you see me. So Rebel Sixx is known as dancehall type beat and musical thing, you see me. And him would gain fans from all over the world so far and thing, you see me. Plus him have a nice hit song, Rifle Wave. Now watch a badness name, cause enough artists big out the same way. I don't have to call their name, sing them type of tune there. You see me? But we are going to hear what mother have to say, people, so listen.
And everyone, I am Rebel Sixx mother. My son was killed in his home. 26 years old. He had plans. He had dreams. He had aspirations. And he was working towards his goals. Now, I'm going to make this very, very brief. There's nobody in the world outside of God that loves my son more than me. Okay? And I'm saying to you all now, the Bible says, vengeance is mine, says the Lord. I will repay. I don't want nobody avenging my son death. I don't want any retaliation because my son had a big mouth. Everybody know it. Who know Kyle? Know he have a big mouth. Everybody know that. But you see, that wasn't who he was. Just a mouth. I know you all like social media. And I know you all like to put things on social media. So I don't even care how I look really because my child dead. So you want to go on social media and say, Rebel mom here in a mess, fine. It doesn't matter, my child dead. I will say to you, who is the murderer? And you know yourself. You know who sent the hit. The person who sent that hit to take him out because he's a threat. Let me tell you something. Vengeance is the Lord's. I don't have to lift a finger. No one has to lift a finger. But surely your turn will come. The way I am crying and grieving and hurting today, the way my son's son and his daughter is crying and hurting because they lose a father in the prime of his life, it's the same way somebody will cry for you. And I'm not wishing it on you, you know. I don't wish it. But the Bible says whatever you reap, you will sow. So when you reap discord, you sow discord. If you reap murder, you're going to sow murder. You can't reap murder and expect to sow something else. And I'm saying to you today, God is my strength. I haven't slept. I'm far from my son. I can't go home to him now. Borders are closed.
8 man people, so Rebel Sixx was only 26 years old, you see me, and him have 2 youths him left behind, and but I can tell a lie, His mother really grieve, as you can see, you see me. And she broke it down as simple, as plain as she can. You see me, how she feel about everything. You see me. So the killer them look like them unknown, but you don't know enough for somebody for, cause a stranger cannot do nothing wrong or right. But people, I just want to share that with you quick and fast. More vlogs that come out, please like, subscribe, share to the trendy dancer. That's how we do a thing though. Yeah man, big up on yourself and have a blessed day. Out.